Good afternoon, everyone. This is Ryan with Young Truck and Trailer in Kaysville with another installment of trailer updates. This week we're talking about the Load Trail brand out of Texas. We have hundreds of trailers in stock right now, and the one we're going to talk about today is this Load Trail 20-foot car hauler. This trailer's pretty special. It's got the hard compressed rubber decking, so you don't have to worry about the splintering of your wood, and it also comes with extra tie downs, the rub rail, the stake pockets on the side, drive over fenders, so if you have Jeeps or something with a wider wheelbase, you can drive right over the fenders. Comes with a tongue mounted toolbox, the adjustable pintle hook or pintle hitch, the drop leg stand, which is pretty convenient. You don't have to crank as much. This trailer has a 6,798 pound cargo capacity, so even full-size trucks, depending on the size, will fit on this trailer. And they come with these ramps that just slide in the rear pocket of the dovetail, so you don't have to worry about those upright intrusions on your view and running into things. These trailers are pretty awesome. They have a great warranty, 2-year bumper to bumper, 3-year structural, and a 2-year roadside assistance. So any Load Trail trailer, if you have an incident on the side of the road, Load Trail will pay for towing up to a certain distance of any truck or trailer, whatever your tow vehicle is, to the nearest repair facility to get you taken care of, regardless of whether it's your car or the trailer that caused the breakdown. So this is the best warranty in the business. Come and get your Load Trail today at Young Truck and Trailer in Kaysville. Thanks. Talk to you soon.